So I found a power cord, and I'll plug it in. I think the down position's off. Probably want it off when I plug this in. I'll fry this thing. Well, plugged in. Let's switch it on and see if anything happens. There's lights, the fan came on. That's nice. Anything on the monitor? There's some sounds like it's trying to spin something up. That's good, maybe. The blinking lights aren't doing anything, so that's not good. Nothing on the monitor. Jiggle the cords. Some kind of crunchy noises in there. That's not great. Power supply works. Vent fan works. It's nice.